Welcome back for my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Monday the 2nd of December. Going to look at cable now, which effectively is still stuck in this sort of 250 pip or so trading band. It's been in this range for the last 5 or 6 weeks now, and I think it's going to be sitting in this range probably until election day, the 12th of December, between 27.65 and up towards $1.30.10 area has been the two extremes of that range, although effectively we're sort of holding between the fib levels, that 23.6% fib, 28.20. Time and again the market has sort of found support around that and picked up. But I look at this range and you still see the momentum indicators, which are edging with a positive bias on a medium-term basis. They're just effectively unwinding, really. And I think the market is still hanging on to the outlook that the Conservatives are likely to gain some sort of a majority, albeit seemingly narrowing. But I think that cable is going to be trading sideways with that in mind until the election result on the 13th of December, at which point we're expecting to see some sort of decisive direction again, whether it be, and it's going to be election driven, I think, that direction. I think if the Conservatives get a majority, you're looking at an upside break above 30 big figure, possibly mid 130s then, downside break on a hung parliament and more uncertainty. So we're hanging around the middle of this range at the moment. You can see that the constant, this is the hourly chart, the constant ups and downs and fluctuations that we see around sort of polling data that has been coming out, and political interviews and all sorts of fluctuations around the election. And you've got the momentum on the hourly chart reflecting that pretty much entirely, where there are oscillations between 30 and 70 on the hourly RSI, the MACD lines now just hovering around neutral. You've got the overhead resistance 29.50, 29.75 area starting to come in. Initially 28.75, but then 28.20, which is price support, but also, as I said earlier, that 23.6% fib level. So some real signals that we're lacking direction on cable. You could get some traction, a little bit of traction on some polling data, but ultimately everything is so up in the air that I'm not anticipating any real direction on cable for a while. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.